not all financial advice there is applicable sa'yo. Free myself from paying something that I didn't need. Nung nag-hold on ako sa investment na while in debt, dumating dun sa point na magkakaroon ng changes dun sa visa conditions ko. I was feeling very lost. Pati nga si Miss Prex na na-lost din.
Hello, Janine. So, can you tell me about yourself, your name, taga saan ka, what you do for a living, everything that you're comfortable to share?
Okay, so my name is Janine. I am an overseas Filipino worker in Australia, and I do cardiac sonography here for almost 5 years now.
Okay, so what led you to go abroad?
The reason why I came to Australia is because of green pasture. So, naghahangad ng mas higher income, more opportunities for self-development, career, tsaka financial na rin.
Okay, so parang yung typical no na reason din ng mga naibang bansa, ng mga Pinoy, no? So, prior sa pag-decide mo na mag-join ng MIT Academy Coaching Program, what's your financial condition or struggle and probably mindset na rin before joining?
So, I was simply lost financially. So, there were changes in my financial situation that had caused a lot of financial struggles. So, there were mistakes and failures in my decision making in the past years that had led me to this bad situation in my finances. So, I was investing in a lot of material things like real estate and some shares. And then I wasn't focusing on paying off my debt and then setting up an emergency fund. Yung mga things to be financially independent. I was just focused on investing.
Kasi nasabi mo na parang yan yung mga dapat unahin. Pero before, alam mo ba na dapat yun yung unahin or hindi pa?
Not really.
Okay.
Alam ko lang kasi malaki yung sahod. So, kaya kong bayaran lahat. But, walang budget, walang direction.
Mm-mm. Then, what happened kung malaki naman yung sweldo?
Ayun nga, nag-focus pa rin ako dun sa mga investments, material investments. I didn't do as planned na dapat bayaran ko yung debts ko.
Mm-mm. So, parang nagpatong-patong yung liabilities.
Like, kasi hindi ako pressured na bayaran kasi it's pandemic, ganyan-ganyan. So, dinelay ko din talaga siya. It's like, pwede kong i-take advantage ito na hindi ko muna bayaran, tapos mag-invest muna ako, ganun. Dumating dun sa point na magkakaroon ng changes dun sa visa conditions ko, which limits me now to work with only one employer. So, yung mga side hustles ko, talagang mawawala sila. So, lahat ng mga pambayad sa investments, wala. Ang naiwan lang is yung for basic needs. Tapos may konting sobra lang.
So, because of dun sa visa conditions, kumbaga lumiit yung income, which is now hindi na enough to pay for sa lahat ng mga investments that you committed to.
Yeah.
So, yun yung pinaka-struggle mo nun, no? Can you tell me about paano mo ako nakita o yung MIT siguro? And then, ano yung moment na, gusto kong mag-avail nito, gusto kong mag-join ng coaching program?
So, when I was searching for answers para dun sa financial problem ko, I was looking at Chinkitan, yung mga financial coaches na ganyan-ganyan. Tapos biglang dumaan si Miss Prex dun sa reel ba yun or sa post. Tapos may sinabi siya tungkol dun sa not all financial advice there is applicable sa'yo. So, yun parang nakita ko doon na, nga no, hindi sa lahat ng mga pinapanood ko, very general yung advice nila. Pero iba kasi yung problem ko. So, I need someone to help me specifically with my problem. So, doon ako napa-inquire.
Okay. So, alam ko, nag-book ka na kaagad ng call, di ba? Okay. So, sige. So, parang yun yung backstory. So, you went through the program. Can you share your results, like small wins, biggest wins during the program? Do you have specific numbers that you achieved or change in mindset? Ganyan.
So, before, hindi talaga ako naglilista ng small wins. Parang, wala lang. Hindi ako appreciative sa mga maliliit na bagay. Parang gusto ko malaki dapat yung impact, ganyan. But when I joined, ayun nga, I learned to celebrate the small wins, to look at them. Tapos, the biggest win for me during the program was being able to free myself from paying something that I didn't need. Nung nag-hold on ako sa investment na while in debt. So parang yun nga, it doesn't make sense to hold on to something while you're in debt. Tapos, I got rid of every single unnecessary expense that limits myself to achieve more. Yun. So, another big win is I was able to view my finances in a much bigger picture. Parang zoom out
Mm.
to look at it talaga na, ito ka na ito din nangyayari sa'yo eh. Parang awakening.
Mm.
Parang ginising ako sa katotohanan. Ayun. And I was also able to redirect my goals into something that I can actually afford or is within my means. So, ayun. Another biggest win for me during the program is learning about more opportunities to increase my income. So, parang nung nangyari yon, biglang nag-open yung mga opportunities sa akin. Like, na magkaroon ako ng side hustle, na legally,
Legally. Kailangan.
na hindi bounded dun sa visa conditions ko.
Okay, okay.
Ayun, so, yun, parang dahil sa na-discuss namin siya, parang the universe listened and then it opened doors for me. So, ayun, yung mga na-delay ko na bayarin since January is nabayaran siya
Mm.
in full. And it's continuing.
I remember no dun sa mga journal mo, parang hina-highlight mo dun na before you were really focused on dun sa problems. Nung nakita mo na, may ganun palang opportunity, A, B, C, D, without really forcing it, parang dumating sila na hindi mo ine-expect. Oo ba?
Yeah. Parang hindi ko alam na, ay, yun pala yung solusyon doon. Talagang clueless, lost.
Mm.
Tapos yun, nagkaroon ng answer. Parang may answer pala dun sa question na yun.
Mm.
May solusyon pala.
And those
And I was,
opportunities, andun naman na siya. Siguro, yun nga, siguro kailangan na mag-zoom out. Sabi mo nga.
True.
Okay. Anything else?
Ayun, another win with Miss Prex. Ang dami niyang connections. So you will meet a lot of amazing people that will help you not only financially but also other aspects in life. Ayun, like I also met Miss Sarah Suyo with the Subconscious Recode program. Ayun, meeting other people na recommended niya na it complements the lessons that we've learned during our session.
Si Abby.
Oh, si Abby rin. Is Abby.
Talaga, environment plays a big role on our development. Sige, so can you describe or compare yung how you were feeling before and then after or towards the end of the program?
Ayun, so in the beginning of the program, I was feeling very lost. Pati nga si Miss Prex na na-lost din. Sa pag-a-analyze sa situation ko, super complicated talaga siya. So I was losing all hope and I was holding on to things that I sort of needed to let go talaga. But now, I am more conscious when I'm making financial decisions. May tinuro siya sa akin, may tricks whenever I make decisions. Hindi lang financial, but in making decision making. Yun, applicable siya. And ayun, now I am able to consistently work in improving myself in all aspects, especially financially. I won't say na perfect na yung finances ko ngayon, pero yeah, at least ngayon, may path na ako na tinatahak, hindi na ako lost.
Tsaka yung what would you say about your confidence in pagdating sa pera?
Yung confidence ko in handling money is more on very conscious na talaga on what I will spend. So may pinagawa kasi sa akin si Miss Prex na money habitudes. So I was able to learn about myself, handling my finances through that test. And then I was able to apply it for myself. I can see that my confidence has tumaas naman siya. Mas more confident na ako na hindi ko siya malulustay sa sa bagay na hindi ko talaga kailangan.
Maganda yan, no? Kasi that's very important. Kasi dito sa coaching program, what we're aiming for is sustainability, that even without the coach na weekly nagtatanong sa'yo, you'd be able to make smart financial decisions or even practical financial decisions na dati hindi mo nagagawa or ine-expect from yourself. Ngayon magulat ka na lang, kaya ko na pala tong pagdesisyonan on my own. Yeah. Naman tayo sa during. So, what was your experience while working with me with Coach Prex? Did anything surprise you? Ano yung mga gusto mo nagustuhan mo kung meron sa program? Ganyan.
So the best thing in this program and working with Coach Prex is that she is more than a financial coach. She is very much like a sister whom I was able to share my struggles with without judgment. So for the longest time, kinikip ko lang sa sarili ko kung paano ko isa-solve yung problems ko. But then she was there to point out my loopholes and that she was able to help me fix them in no time. So I was amazed at how much progress I made in a couple of months working with her. So her strategy was the light at the end of the tunnel. Talagang talagang nagkaroon ako ng path, promise. From lost in the middle of a very dark forest to someone holding the lamp. Guide you. Guide you na makalabas ka dito. Ayun. So, I was able to resolve the questions and worries about my finances. And what surprised me was her network of professionals who were able to impart their knowledge to an OFW like me. So, another thing that surprised me is when she celebrated her birthday. Sobrang bata pala niya. Pero parang hindi ko in-expect na na mas younger ka. Kasi yung mga advice mo, parang, wow, galing na to. Parang nasubukan na niya lahat. Ayun. So, yun. So, which is very good because she will be able to help more people like me in this kind of situation.
Thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko yun.
Super na-appreciate ko rin lahat ng help, promise.
Like, yung mabunutan ka ba ng tinik? Kasi ako, like, when you start, since this is personalized, di ba? At the start of the program, honestly, hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung may encounter natin, kung ano yung mga hanungkat natin as we go through each session. Di ba dapat lagi may bago, may ganyan. So, it's also a problem-solving moment each time. And it's not just me. Diba? Ako, kung mapansin mo, I just give. Paano kaya kung ganito yung gawin? Ganito yung gawin. Pero on your own, magugulit na lang din ako sa'yo na nagawan mo to ng paraan, like may dumating na ganito, may dumating na ganyan na, okay na. Parang, okay na. Maganda yung parang, kasi ako, very grateful na rin ako. Wow, na parang in amazed at the same time, na nagawan mo na ng paraan without me even telling you yung ganito. Ano mo yun? Yung spoon feeding. So, I think that's the biggest change. Kasi dati parang wala. When you first started, parang it's all about ganito, ganyan. 2020, ganyan. Parang problems. But as in progress, parang wala nang problema. Lagi na lang updates, ganyan, and wins yung sinishare mo. So, I was very happy about that.
Yep. So, I think the best na dun is yung clarity na binigay mo. Like, I was, yun nga, able to look at my situation in a bigger picture. Tapos yung clarity na may solution yan. Ito ang solution dyan. Gawin natin. Yun, kaya,
na may solution.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito. So, for people who are considering or looking to join or work with a financial coach or with me specifically, what would you tell that person?
Okay, so yung one-on-one coaching ni Miss Prexel is very tailored especially for you. So it looks at every angle and perspective of your financial situation. So walang mamimiss out. And basta maging honest ka lang sa situation mo. Like, give it all. Siyang bahala mag-ayos. Yun. So, it gives you the exact answers that you need to hear. Because of that, you will not ever rely on any financial advice out there. Because in this program, it is unique and personalized for you, just like me. Diba? There's no single problem that is very, pare-parehas. It's very unique to each individual. Kasi may activity ulit kami na ginawa before, which traces your childhood, past life, ganun na lahat pala yun is maapektuhan yung future on how you handle your finances. Ayun. And she's also gonna discuss about yung limiting beliefs, which is very eye-opening din. Yun. And yun, so what makes it so effective is that you can get results as quick as possible. Pero of course, it is dependent on your willingness to take action. So yun ang advantage ng my coach kasi she is there to guide you every step of the way. And without judgment talaga. Like kung hindi mo ma-share sa ibang tao, sa financial coach mo i-share. Ayun.
Thank you. So hopefully yung mga someone who's on a similar situation as you, hindi mahihiya. Usually kasi nahihiya to open up about money because money is such a sensitive topic. Talaga, very personal siya. Tapos, at least with your experience, it's not that bad naman pala.
Yeah, true.
So ito, alam ko wala to sa list of questions, pero curious lang ako. So, you were in debt. Right? And namumroblema ka sa pera. Pero, syempre, itong coaching program, it is a paid coaching program. And I would say that the price na sinisingil ko is hindi naman siya ganun kamura. Because syempre it's personalized and it's one-on-one. So,
Yep.
ano yung naging decision making mo doon na parang, oh sige, go ako dito kahit may bayad. Pero, kahit na pera yung pinoproblema ko.
Number 1, may payment plan. So, I really
Oo.
needed that.
Oo, installment pwede.
Oo.
Oo.
At saka dito ko napatunayan na money can buy peace of mind. So, kahit na pinoproblema ko yung pera, pero dahil gusto ko ng solution, gusto ko na ng peace of mind, gusto ko ng matapos lahat ng ito, I need to invest in myself, in learning about my finances, gano'n, in a very holistic approach. So, yun, I took it as an educational process, an educational investment.
Tama.
Wala.
That
Yeah.
that is tama ka. I would say, ako in person, it's an investment because hindi lang siya one time. What you learn is mag-grow siya because you can apply it over and over again.
Yeah, yep. Kahit na mag-change yung financial situation mo, yung mga templates na mga binigay, tsaka yung mga learnings, you can always use them again for you to modify what you want in your life. Tapos pag guidance, gano'n, edi we'll just call Miss Prex. Pero within the time frame ng ng binayaran natin, of course.
Yes, and we can talk about that further naman if you need further guidance. Kaya nga siya personalized.
Yep.
Alright, so I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ayun, yun lang. Anything else that you want to say?
Thank you lang talaga. Super thank you that I met you.
Thank
Kasi
you din.
if not, I might be still lost.
And thank you as well for the trust. And I've learned so much din from experience kasi ikaw yung unang taga-Australia na OFW na nakausap ko, and yung mga kalakaran about visa and
Yeah.
pag-estudyante while working, it's all new to me and I've learned a lot. And because of that, I can apply that learning if may similar din akong client pa in the future with the same condition as you are. So, in a way, parang you're also helping other people.
Yeah.
This interview pa lang.
Yeah. They can ask if they have questions about coming to Australia.
Ayun, 'di ba? Isa pa nga
Promote.
yun. Actually, isa pa nga yun sa, 'di ba? Parang isa sa mga side hustle idea before that came up.
Yeah.
Something to consider.